don't know what's here. We were nice today. We just head out of the water, guys. So, all you wanna see the live stream. Wanna go over there, man, and go look where I go on, man. Live stream did epic, did mad. Yeah, man, I did a live stream earlier. So, there up on the riverside, I go on easy. You know, go see on the river, this a pool, but if you know, you know. Big up on yourself. See it there? Yeah, man. Real Jamaican people. Well, nobody watch what I go on over there saying badness. Yeah, man. I real Jamaica. Yeah, man. One soldier don't saw go and run off the fall, see him, you know? Yeah, man. Ladies them out in a numbers. People don't have no links or no ties to them, so nobody no come ask me. I was here, no check in for my life if you don't want to see what go on. Yeah, man. I was here when they came, so them make good content, so me I embrace the content. Big up on yourself. Nice and beautiful day, man. Actually, I go head home in a few. I run a look at one boat, but in the meantime, I go and catch some of the free content there, you know? Yeah, man. Big up yourself still. I'm going with the vibes. Yeah, man, it's a vibe on the river today, man, people. Big up on yourself. So we just have some guests checking in same way. Yeah, man. It's actually short on water, and all this water right here is going to waste right now. Yeah, when you check in, you know, you go there for a couple parts like that, but you know, some have to go edit out way back. Yeah, only not easy. The automatically save. Big up everybody, welcome back. I've gotten home. It's actually late evening right now, and there is no power. The electricity went out. So right now, I'm actually just in my kitchen with my chargeable lights. So right now, let me just locate this piece of yam and some plantain, because right now I'm gonna cook some dumpling and yam. I have yellow yam and I have white yam as well. I have two kind of yam cooking today. And some boiled plantains. So I'm gonna plantain, yam. I have a chicken over here, so I thought kinda icy. I do have banana, but I've had this banana about a week. So right now they end up on the harder side. So I'm not gonna bother cook them, because I know they're not gonna taste so wonderful, because they end up on the tougher side. Anyways, I don't have any power right now, so I hope you guys are seeing and the lighting is not that poor, which I know it's not the best or what you're actually used to. So getting some flour in right now to start mix up my dough. Now actually I gotta do a little brown stew chicken, especially like how there is no electricity. I almost didn't bother to cook, but I'm hungry and I don't want any dry goods. Majority of the food that was in my fridge, I had given it away. Yeah, I'm that type. I give away food, boy. Sometimes I cook. Majority of the videos them you probably watch. Y'all are wondering why you are seeing me alone in my video and I'm cooking that much food. Half the time I cook food, people, I give it away. And I'm not the type to make those things go public. You understand? I know everybody want them business people out there. So me kind of understand, right? I'm not gonna always be giving somebody something and I go to record it. If it is something planned or I'm using that kind of content to make myself go viral, then no problem, but the person have to know about it. If the person don't know about it, well, me just now go get up and do it. So if they don't really give me the content to do it, me now go do it, right? And sometimes deep within me actually don't feel comfortable doing it, even if they will give me the permission. So if I'm recording and somebody is here for food, I just give them the food off camera. You understand? Maybe further down in the line I will feel comfortable in myself to do it. I don't know, because I realize that a lot of people do it and it works to boost their channel's growth. But I think if that's the way, me probably go viral with my channel and my channel go pick up a little bit of traction. I think it's going to take a while for me, because I'm human. Seeing, and if I need certain things and I ask you for certain things or a certain form of help, and before you even give me the help, you see it out on social media, me probably not even bother want it. Me no bother want it, no problem. Seeing, so yeah, that's just probably my sentiments. Everybody in the world different. Anyways, I've made dough to make dumpling countless time. I need to go online countless time. And because I don't have proper lighting, I'm actually trying to just get this pot ready so I can have a video and thing uploaded to the channel. So I'm gonna be moving so fast, and bringing you guys with the camera is gonna kind of slow me up. I'm gonna try to race against the battery power on these things. I'm not sure how long is left on them, because I'm actually on another live here. I'm supporting another live stream. I have the earpods in my ears listening. So yeah, I like to support a lot of people. So yeah, man. Actually on Savvy's Hot Kitchens TV. I'm not sure if you guys can see. Her name is at the top right there. Yeah, man. It kinda a bit off. Anyway, this is Savvy's Hot Kitchen TV. over there. I give her some love and some support. So what I will do is try my very best to get you guys involved in a lot of the cooking that is going on. So big up on yourself and stay tuned. Now go see if I can handle my hand real fast and get this food in the pot and get the chicken cut up too and put on everything. So stay tuned. Now try to show you what I want. Alright people, so while it's still dark, I actually have need my dough. I'm waiting for the water to come to a boil before we start doing some dumpling dropping. I've just cut the top and the lower part of the bottom. The people now go say the bottom. Yeah, Jamaica is that place. So I've made a slit along, so that means when this plantain is cooked, I can just use the fork to easily peel the skin off. So now I'm just gonna cut this in about 3 pieces. Yeah man, see there? 3 nice pieces. Right? And I'm just gonna rest it right here and wait for the water to come to a boil. See? This is what I cut off. This is the tip and the top. Right? So now I'm just gonna peel these brown sections off my yellow yam. And for the folks that don't know, there are so many different varieties of yam in Jamaica. See me have a next one here. This one is white yam or renta. You see? One white, one is yellow. I only cut off this top right now to show you because I'm not actually ready to peel it. I'm going to do the yellow yam first. See? I'm not going to do all of this yellow yam now. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, about 3 pieces. So I'm going to leave these for tomorrow. Let me just put this in my ground provision corner and continue peeling this yellow yam. Yeah man, you can see that one has not too long come out of the ground, you know people. It's still covered with dirt. This is real ground provision. Yeah man. That is real ground provision people. No additives, no preservatives. People, right now, I am sorry. The power is out. But I can tell you one thing for sure. My rather current gone water. Yo. Someone is calling my phone. Alright, so 1, 2, 3. The piece here kinda have a different cut, so I don't have to cut it that thin. Alright, so I'm gonna water a boil now. Let me come show you what I want. Guys, it's dark in here, so my apologies. I'm just trying to shake all the excess water. All the excess water that was on my hand. This water boiling hot. Yeah man. I'm going to hurry up now and get in piece of the white yam. Let me see. I'm gonna put this one about here. I'll put back that in the ground provision corner. Yeah man, the yam are full of shapes, so I kind of have to be peeling it a bit deeper. Like here, there's a little sink there, but I know how to get it out. Alright, so what I'll do is just cut it deep that side and then cut it that way. See that? Just like that. Let me just rinse it off. Yeah man, I already light gone than water because it's actually not that hot right now. The rain actually did come cool down the place, so. Alright, let me just put it like this. Cut it down the middle. And now it's really slippery, guys. You see white yam now? White yam not really stay intact like yellow yam, you know. So you have to cut it a bit chunky. Yeah man, what if I stay intact right now, guys? Let me just cut it in the back because the knife is kind of sharp. Alright, so let me just wash my hands and go start dealing with some dumpling in the pot. So I go on there. I'm actually just gonna pause the video, guys, because it's really dark and I don't want to make poor content, so I'm not pleased with the lighting. Right, so let me just pause the video and deal with this dumpling, and I'll continue it when I get back over to the sink area and start dealing with the chicken. See? Bless up on yourself. Alright people, so let me see if we can move the light over a bit.
Do you have bowling, guys? Can you please confirm that you've got
this lighting is really killing me. Anyways, yeah man, so the food pot look like, you know, dumpling, white yam, yellow yam and plantain. As I said, I have some green banana, but they're not the best. I've had them about a week, and if you don't know how when banana tough, it tastes bad. So I just go leave them. Them probably ripe and use them for fritters or something. Anyways, I'm gonna clean up my sink now and approach the chicken. So I'm gonna give this some time to cook while I'm dealing with the chicken. See? So big up on yourself. You soon try my best to show you what I want on the chicken too. I'm not going to do nothing too fancy. As I've said, what I wanted to do, I won't be able to do it today. So we just go have to just cut that chicken up and brown stew some just for dinner to make some content, because I haven't uploaded since Sunday and it's what, Tuesday. I did upload yesterday, I did a few live. Big up all who has been tuning in and supporting my live feed. Guys, turn on your post notification so that you guys can know whenever I'm going live. The support is needed, so big up on yourself. Yeah man, let me get to the chicken and show you how I'm going to deal with it. See? Big up. Alright, so what I'm going to, we have a chicken, well, chop up and wash down with some vinegar. Now going with some Maggi all-purpose, some Maggi chicken, and a little allspice and jerk season. You don't know my specialty already. Yeah, so if you don't know about that, getting yourself up to date, please. You know, some of the previous videos where I blend that season. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of browning. A little bit of browning. Do some brown stew, you know. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna chop some garlic and scallion and thyme and add to this. I'll do onions and such as well, but I don't want them cooking from an earlier point when this meat I gonna start cook. So that's the reason I'm not adding that as it. Anyway, let me just stir this for a bit. As I say, there is no electricity, so I have to work with what I have. Alright, so I have a scallion, piece of thyme. Actually, let me just add that thyme right now. I have a piece of scotch bonnet and my 3 nice cloves of garlic. I'm just gonna chop these really fine, add them to this meat, stir it around a bit, and then put it on the fire. So that is it. You don't need no more seasoning than that for some brown stew chicken. Well, in the earlier stages, because you're going with my onions and my tomato and carrot and all of that. I'm not supposed to know the words. Alright, so that is the scotch bonnet in. Now in with the garlic, and the thyme is already in. Now let me just mix up some scallion. Yep, that's it. I'm not try my best to not touch this knife because I've used it to cut peppers, so you know it's a bit of heat is on it. Anyways, let me just stir this a bit. The pot already hot, smoking hot too. I added a little bit of oil in this, you know, so now we can just stir it a bit. So go just sear this a bit till most of the pieces get a bit of frying, like maybe about 5 minutes worth of frying, if so much. Guys, right now I'm sorry there is no lighting, but you all will understand. I don't have proper, well, I have proper lighting, it's just that there is no power right now. There is a rain, and I don't know if that rain is what actually caused the power to went out or something. I don't know. Alright, so I can now just, and let me show you what I'm going away. So food them a boil lovely. Really lovely. Where did I put this cover? I think it's on a pot somewhere in here. So I'll have to just sorry. Alright, so I just cover that for about 5 minutes before I start adding some water to that and leave it let it cook down. In the meantime, while it's cooking down, I'll just start preparing like the vegetables that I need to add to it, like my onion, potato, Irish potato, carrots, sweet pepper, you know the whole works. Yeah man, so stay tuned and try the show now go on in the dark. Big up on yourself. Yeah man, so since current now gone, what I did was to move all of the lightings that I had over that side and put them right here. So if it's looking a bit brighter, that's the reason. Yeah man, grill the brown stew chicken properly. I'm gonna add some water to this now and cover it down and make it cook. Yes man. Okay. Real brown stew chicken, people. All I have to do now is just lock it down and make it go and cook. Go on to clear some onion, scallion and the whole works. Irish, carrot, and then add to it in about 15 to 20 minutes. So I can go and cook. And yes, I got add a bit of ketchup to thicken up that sauce, that gravy, you know? Yeah man, so soon show you how me deal with that. Yeah man, in with the onion and with sweet pepper and all of that. Yes, the power is back on. Thank God to God. However, somebody fix it. Thank God give you power to fix it. So big up yourself. I was actually praying. Yeah man. See there's some nice brown stew chicken in the weather. I actually go in with some ketchup. But I like when my seasoning cook first before I add ketchup. Yeah man, and then take a little bit longer to cook if you add the ketchup too early, because what the ketchup do is actually thicken up the gravy. Right? Yes, and if the gravy cook, if the gravy is too thick, it's harder to cook whatever is in there. So make everything go and marinate again, and then I'm gonna check it back and add the ketchup. So in a few. Alright my beautiful people, I still have power here. I just removed the lid, the pot cover, to check out what I want on my brown stew chicken. And this look ready. And guess what people? I mean, I don't ketchup in it yet, you know. I don't have to add ketchup. Ketchup is not a must. But you see that sweet balance that the ketchup will give to this? I actually like it. You see that? I have a nice thick sauce right now. So I'm going with a little bit of ketchup and a little bit of water. And give this maybe a next 10 minutes. So I'm going, that should be enough. Let me just get a cup, get some water. And I have the phone in a tripod now, so I can't really put it down as I please. Yeah man, I like the sweet balance from the ketchup. You won't really taste it that much, but if you're a foodie and know what you're tasting for, then the taste will be evident. Actually, I'm gonna add a little bit more water because I need a lot of sauce. I don't know how people cook food without gravy, so you know. Gravy fit in a pot. Yeah man. Or sauce fit in a pot. Yeah, so just go close this down. Give this a few more minutes. And then start eat my dinner. Because right now I think it's about some minutes to 5. Yeah, so stay tuned, so we'll show you the finished product. Alright? There I watch my boy Motorsport JA. I do some car race. Yeah, one of my brethren see it there. Yeah man, that's how we get to work. Yeah man, it's that time. Everything ready. Get a dumpling. Guys, right now, I'm super hungry. Brown stew chicken, I think lovely. Get dumpling number few. As I say, that's just me and my brethren there. So, right now, we have a mash up the food there right now. There's the two of them. You know what, Yeah. Alright. Alright, since we have more food, I'll cut back on the dumpling a little bit. Go ahead with a piece of white. White them look lovely, guys. Something like when they white and pretty. Piece of the plantain as well. Now yellow yam time. Wanna see what I'm going? Oh, some people are for me hungry right now. Not the one in something. Yeah man. One dumpling, two dumplings are good enough right now. Or we can just... Oh, we have a little bit of flour left. So, I make one little spinners. So I'm going to take two of the white yam. The white yam look lovely. Alright, now I'm going to tell you guys, right now, I'm super hungry right now. Alright, so we'll share some meat first before we go in with the sauce. Yeah, that is it. Yeah, man, that's how we share food, man. My brethren, him not really eat nothing. So, sauce time. And for me, sauce time. If you want sauce there, you know me want more sauce, so. There's too much bone in my plate now. See that? Yeah, man. Dinner is served. So, big up on yourselves. Yeah, man. Thanks for supporting the movements so far. Enough love, enough respect to you. See? So, no, the next one. I watch out. I still have mangoes from this morning.